Dear students, today's topic is embryo rescue. So, let's start with embryo rescue. Embryo rescue involves the culture of immature embryos to rescue them from unripe or hybrid seeds which fail to germinate. Next, I'll discuss about the culture technique for embryo rescue. In general, a complex nutrient medium is required for culture methods involving embryo rescue. For adequate nutritional support of immature embryos, embryo endosperm transplant is used. Further, I'll discuss about the embryo endosperm transplant technique. So this is the diagrammatic representation of embryo endosperm transplant technique. So this is the ovule with hybrid embryo. This is the ovule with normal embryo. So we can say here the hybrid embryo from the ovule in which endosperm development has failed is taken out by excision. So this is hybrid embryo that is taken from this ovule. And further, I'll discuss about the ovule with normal embryo. So, from this, another normally developed ovule with endosperm enclosing an embryo is chosen. This ovule is dissected and the normal embryo is pressed out. So, by this way, this leaves a normal endosperm with an exit hole. So now the hybrid embryo can be inserted into the normal endosperm through this exit hole. So this results in embryo endosperm transplant, which can be cultured in a suitable medium. Next, I'll discuss about the composition of medium. So, inorganic constituents of MS media is required, and B5 white media can be taken as well, but probably MS media is preferred. Sucrose is taken as energy source. Ammonium nitrate is taken as nitrogen source. Casein hydrolysate rich in various amino acids is frequently used. Natural plant extracts like liquid endosperm of coconut milk with embryo factor is used. Embryo factor is believed to supply certain amino acids, sugars, growth regulators, and embryo grow well in pH range of 5 to 7.5, and incubation temperature of 24 to 26 is ideal. Better growth of embryos is observed in darkness, which are then transferred to light for germination. During the culture conditions, the embryo are grown into plantlets, and that plantlets is transferred into the sterile soil for full-fledged growth to maturity. So this topic is done today.